G'day everyone, Rob here from Bailey's Contract Fencing. Just want to take a bit of a video and show you what sort of terrain I'm dealing with here. As you can see, pretty ordinary country. These things are one of the greatest pieces of equipment I think I own. Went through the invoices last night. We've put in just a tad over 5,500 posts since I bought this machine 3 and a bit years ago. This strainer here, he's a 2.7. He's sticking out 1,300 high, and as you can see, he's 5mm thick. And I've gone to 5mm because of this, trying to hit them in. And this here smacks them in, no worries at all. Yeah, thank you, Thor. Can't recommend them enough. If I was a young contractor or a farmer or whatever, looking for something to put in strainers in ground like this, do yourself a favour, buy a Thor.